Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna work with a black canvas and we're gonna copy a button, and based on that button we're gonna write some code. So it's gonna be pretty exciting. Nothing too special to be honest. But yeah, let's work on what we should do, right? So alright, let's go here. Let's go to ChatGPT as well. Let's go to Framer Marketplace. Okay, wait a second. Components. Let's do a button. Um, I just want to have a normal button to be honest. Let me see. This one, copy component, paste component. Okay, get in touch. Um, okay, so we have the button here. We want to detach it first. Give me a second. Replace all instances. Okay. Oh, here. Unlink instance. Let's see here. Let's do Ah, what is this all jazz bass? Okay, let's just insert a button. Icons, media form, interactive, location, cookie, banner, social, utilities, creative, fields, navigation, menu, sections, menu rows. How about a button? Okay, what is this? Download. Okay, this is also a. Can I just not do? Okay, link button. Okay, href. Okay, a image. Okay, yeah, let's do just an image or something or whatever. And it can have a link too. Let's choose an image what we already have. Let's go to here, an image, right? Okay, this is our image. Let's make it a little bit pretty. So 24. Let's make the background a little bit fancy. Okay, that matches the color. So what we want to do in this layer is two things. We want to have a link to, and it's going to have to link to a static data. So when I click on it, right? When I click on this, it should go to something. So let's see, area label tag, Googlebot. Okay, we're gonna do a coding override. So let's get our ChatGPT here. ChatGPT here. Okay. We're gonna say in Framer, I want to have a override, code override code that goes to a website and carries the current goes to another website but carries over the referral link that is current in the web address. So let me give it an example. Um, www.carl.com, and Carl needs to have a referral link is landing. Okay, I click on a button. This button will be going to Susie, right? Susie.com, referrals landing. This.com plus um, referral landing. The button website, the website should be static. So the button will always go to Susie.com. Okay, let's see what the. Okay. So there's some code, and the code destination is Susie.com. Okay. Let's go to color overrides, and let's go to new file, new override, which is called dynamic link. Okay. Create. And I see there's some code here already. Let's do it under the slice, and let's put that one here. And let's change the website because I have a website here. I want this to go to this website, which is my own website, and I want to save this. Okay, I saved it. So let's see. Okay. So there seems to be an issue still. Let me see. Override dynamic link. Okay, let's see. Okay, so going to the website, that works. Now let's see if it actually works here. So here we have a website. So what we want is that it will go to this website, and then referral is landing. Right? Let's see. Okay, so it doesn't carry over. Now I'm not sure if it doesn't carry over because the website doesn't have the referral link. So let's go back here and let's go to here. Referral is landing. Okay, and let's see if it carries over. Okay, that carries over. We saw that. So that was pretty easy. Now, because that works, let's make this bigger. Let's go here, and I want to say cursor, web cursor, and it's going to be a pointer. Let's publish that. Okay, and let's do something else. Okay, let's go to this website again. Let's update it just in case. Let's do something else. Let's do ChatGPT. Okay, so the referral link is ChatGPT. Now, if I click here on, it should carry the ChatGPT. Okay, it did. So this is the solution. I thought I could do this dynamically, but statically seems to be the best way. So we have another problem solved. Let me think if I have another thing that I want to have solved. No, that's really it, to be honest. Okay, we can immediately go to our project. That's amazing. So give me 1 second, then we're going to open up a project. Remove this one. Let's go our project that we had yesterday. That is this project. Awesome. Let's run it. npm run dev. Let's zoom it a little bit in for you guys. Alright. Let's go to this page. Let's open up the browser. Let's go here. Let's do localhost 8080. Localhost 8080. But I also want to have a split screen. Let's not do a split screen. Let's just do normal. And we're going to go to the official website. So this is the official website. And this is my replica. So it's not exactly the same because I have different containers. The reason why, because this is a Webflow website, and Webflow's website is a no-code tool. And this no-code tool basically means you have more flexibility on how you stretch things. However, in code you have more control. You don't want to have stretch things like this because it can create issues eventually if you have bigger screens. Alright, so this one works. Okay. But just in case, let's do a comparison actually. So let's go to localhost 8080, not switch to this tab. Let's go to split screen. And on the split screen, we want to open the same website. So this is my website, this is their website. Okay, so their website, you can see, already jumps to this style, but for me, it jumps here. So there's a different kind of jump going on here. That's fine. It's not a big deal. Okay, let's go here. I cannot scroll at the same time. Oh, animation is going to be like added later on, by the way. Okay. Okay, I see a potential issue here. Yeah, okay. We have to work on that issue. That's a good one. I see an overflow. And the overflow will be fixed at a certain point. I see. Okay. Yeah, we can work on that issue. That's no issue. Okay, these ones work. Right. Let's go here. Okay, mine is already here. But if I go bigger, then mine is here and theirs is here. So that's pretty much the same. Just a different view. Let's go to the challenge here. Mine is a bit faster. That's fine. Let's see if that is an issue. No, the only issue is what we have is with the product grid. Okay. Let's see the next one. Okay. Mine is a little bit different. I like it this way. They like it this way. That's totally fine. Right? Like this flexibility, I can do it. I don't want to do it because then I need to control the browser treatment. It's too much to ask. Okay, we're gonna have to add this part. Okay, and it seems that it fades in. Okay, so this is something we need to fix today. Like these ones are a little bit darker here, and I have to fill in the answers, so we also need to fix the accordions. That's totally fine. Okay, let's see. We have a block here. I am actually going to remove that block because we're not going to have a block. Okay, so we saw a couple of issues. Let's start with the first one. The first one is the issue is that it has an overflow. Now to fix that overflow, we can do a flex wrap. So let's go to the code. Let's go to product grid. Let's check again, just in case. And let's type in this keyword, moisturizers. So Control F. Okay. Moisturizer. Okay, it seems that it's using a mapping function. That means that it is static data here and it goes over these references here. So let's go over here then. Do we know anything about the image? We do not. So, okay, we have some flexibility. Let's work on flex wrap. So that's the first thing. Let's check. So we have still an overflow issue. That's fine. So flex scroll. Is it the same product? That is something we have to ask ourselves. I think we are at the wrong section. Okay, we have to be here. Am I correct? Discover more from your skin. Okay, let's check. Discover. Okay, no, it's not here. Discover more for your skin. Okay, it is here actually. Flex scroll, flex row, flex wrap. Okay. I think what we can do, we can decrease the container a little bit. Also, I see there's a little bit of a corner issue. I just want to see if it's the same um, when I go to the bigger screen. Yes, it seems so. That's fine by me. Let's go to the real website. Everything seems to be rounded, so we can work on that. We are at the flex wrap. We said flex scroll, MX auto, justify center, item start, gap 6. Okay. We can say, no, we have to say item start. Okay. Product card is here. Product ID, product is product. Okay. Then we have to go to the product card. Let's see. Flex scroll, flex 1, MX auto, block, on flow hidden. Okay, we have the image here. We say that the min width is 400 pixels. I think that is bullshit here. So let's do 350. Let's check. Okay, it seems that the hover doesn't change with me. So I also need to go to the hover and say 350. Okay. So now we decrease the size. Let me see. Okay. I'm fine by this. And then, okay, it has a little bit of an overflow, I see. Okay, what we're gonna do here is gonna go to the real website. And it seems that it has immediately an overflow. Um, let's go to the real website and then again. I think the best case here is to actually make the images 250. Okay. Then we have this case. And then we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So okay. Then we have to work on the text, make it a little bit smaller. That's fine. But these ones work, right? Like this is not an issue anymore. Okay, great. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna go to the text. Um, Let me see what the text is. Product category, product info, product price, pricing. Let's go here. Let's go to the pricing. Okay, it's below the pricing. Oh, price, original price. Let's see. Price, original price. Yeah. And then below that, product name is text XL, text leading 26. So we're gonna make this large. So that's a little bit smaller, but it can actually make a huge difference in our, uh, yeah. Actually, it can be even smaller. So we're gonna do that. So on small devices, we want to have text large, and normally we want to have text medium here. Let me see if that is correct what I did. Let me go here. Yeah, it's not medium, it's base. Okay. In that case, let's make it a little bit smaller then. Text brand dark. Okay, that's the color. Okay, so let's see if we have an overflow here. Okay, a little bit still, right? You see it? Maybe we can even make some kind of wrapping or something, but then we have to work on. Oh, I see. No, leading. No. Okay, what I'm gonna do? How much small is this? Font size is 14. Line height is nah. That's not 14. Let's see. Is this 14? Let's see. Yeah, it is 14. Okay, in that case, I'm gonna try to make it smaller. Font size. Okay, yeah, this is really small. Oh, because this is the. Okay, okay. So let's work on this one. So here's the text 14, which is overridden still. Aha, I see. Okay, so even on small devices here, so this is fine. So we keep that 16. On small devices, we actually want to have text small. And then from medium devices, we want to have text base. And on large devices, we want to have text XL. Let's see. So it's a little bit smaller, but that should stop the overflow somewhere. Okay. Okay, the overflow is coming from not sure where. Let me see. There's no more overflow. Let's see. Okay, this is some kind of PAX4, a medium PX60. Um, Let me think about this. It has nothing to do with that. Let me see what this is coming from. Okay, this is the page. So, okay. Now we solved that overflow issue. There's somewhere else an overflow issue. I don't know where it's coming from. Um, I can try my luck in the here. So let's go here and check what's going on. So let's go here. Aha! Okay. Overflow hidden. That's fine. Max width. MX auto. MX auto is fine. PB 40 is fine. I'm not sure where this section is coming from. What is this? Is this somewhere on the top? Okay, yeah, this is this one. So the overflow is not coming from there. But the overflow gets solved as soon. Let's see here. Okay, I see that there's an overflow hidden, but there's this block. Let me see, there's this relative mx auto. Let me see. Okay. There's a gap of 30. Mx auto, justify center, start gap 6. I am thinking about how to approach that problem. Okay, that's correct. So I said there's an item start here, and we're not using that space. Is there like a minimum width somewhere that I just don't see? MX auto, flux wrap, flux row, item start, gap 6, medium, gap 30 pixels. But the only gap that there is, and everything is item start. So one way to solve that is to actually say that this particular content has an items center. So let's go and do that. Let's go to our other section, discover more for your skin, product ID, start. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, that didn't change anything. How about I click here? Let's see. Okay, that. Wait. I see that there's a minimum width here somewhere. I think it comes from here actually. But here I said overflow not hidden, and here I didn't say that. So, hey Fisher, how are you doing, brother? What's up? Let me see. Let's see where the relative is coming from. Relative. All good, bro. Yeah, we chilling, right? We're chilling. Hmm. No, we don't want to do that here. Okay, so now we have a product here. Flex goal. Justify between. Not sure where it's coming from. Let's see. Okay, does that solve a issue? Kinda. Yeah, that solves a issue, but not the issue. Um, medium, a gap of 30, gap 6, item center, flux wrap, MX auto. There's nothing wrong here. This is perfect as it is. Let's check the responsiveness. So let me go to our iPad Air. Can we? Yeah, we still have an overflow. Okay. Uh, yeah, I have no idea where that overflow is coming from. Then it's not coming from here at least. Okay. It's time to ask the AI if we can find it. Not Thunderbird. Give me a second. Because you know the project is almost done. I'm not too bothered. Yeah, good, bro. Connect to root code cloud. No, I don't care. Um, on tablet devices, uh, there seems to be an overflow on the entire page. Fix it. Let me see if it can find it. Okay, it's gonna go to the globals. On the hero. That does not fix the issue. No, but it can continue. Uh, okay, let's see. Okay, still no flow. Usually it comes from the infinite slider. Let's see. So that is my initial guess. Okay, I don't want to do that. So let's go back. Um, it read things here. Also read things here. Restore. Okay, so we got that fixed. Um, let's check if it comes from the testimonials. So let's go to our here and let's start a new chat. And we're gonna go to testimonials. Um, so let's see if the testimonials is the issue. Not really. Okay. Okay, testimonials doesn't seems to be the issue here. Right? You can clearly see that. Okay. At least we know that. So let's go back. Okay. So another way to fix this issue is to go to the index page and just say overflow hidden. It's not my favorite, but this can help. So there's no overflow anymore. So that is something I don't want to do because it can create issues later on. There's a coloring issue here, I see. We work on that soon. But yeah, that is the fix basically. So yeah, let's push that. Let's push that fix. So let's just go to here, git add, and our message we're gonna say fixed overflow and product grid git push. Okay, so that was a good fix. I enjoy that. So our next fix, so like we have it like this, the page has it like this. It's not a big deal. Um, let's go to our popular section, happiness section. So happiness guaranteed, and it has a certain background, which is amber, it seems. Hopefully it is the same as I think it is. It seems so. So let's go to our testimonial section. And if it's a text, let me see if I can find it. Mm, testimonial video. Let's play button. We're gonna remove the play button soon. Okay, so that's the image. Hmm. Let me read carefully. Okay, so that's the same background as this one. That is fixed. This one. Okay, now we have to fix this one. The problem with that one is that it's actually a video. So let's save the video. Hopefully we can do that. No, it saves the web page. That is an issue. So instead, what we can do is go to here, go to inspect, and there seems to be a video here. This is the JPEG. We don't want to have that. Okay. Let me see where the video is. WebM, it seems. Oh, there's a lot of okay, there's a lot of code here. I'm not sure if this is the link, but access denied. Okay, got the video. Save video as. I'm not sure what is this, so what is this video called? Your daily routine. Let's go to our project. Daily routine. Okay, so we can save that. Daily routine. Okay. And I think this is a good case for AI because we have currently have this, and we can do it like a shop now, right? So in Hero we have something like this. We have like a shop now. Oh, that's because of this one. Let's close that one. And then we can create something like this on top. And then on tablet devices, we can just put it down like this. Okay, that's a good chore for AI. Okay, let's go to git add um, git commit um, fixed bj issue testimonial and added mp4. Great. Git push. Great. Now what we can do, we're gonna go to our Figma. So we're gonna go here. We're just gonna say Figma. We're gonna go to our part here. And okay, this is our section. We're gonna go to our plugin. Gonna go to builder.io. Smart export. Okay, that's copied. Let's go to a builder. So builder.io. Go to app. Let's go to our app. Awesome. Let's go here. Okay, so that is a job for AI. So I basically ask like, hey, instead of this, I want a video playing. So that is this video, and I want this products card um, like that. So yeah, we can chill a little bit. So let's do some social media. Okay, great. Let's see what the AI has done. That looks very good. Let's go to our tablet version. Um, okay, so it can do that. That is not an issue. All right, let's go to let's see if we can figure that out, right? Great, but I want the product cards on tablet and mobile devices to be flex um, in a column. Okay, so that is what we can do. How much do we have? We still have many credits until 10th of September. Awesome. Great. Let's see. Okay, almost. Of course, these products um, need these cards need to be centered on tablet and mobile devices. Okay, great. Looks good. Okay, let's see. Looks good. Let's check on mobile. Looks good. Let's check on desktop. Looks good. We can push that code. Okay. And then we can go back so we don't have to do the heavy lifting work, right? Git pull. Great. Let's compare. Let's put this somewhere else. Let's compare. Okay, I think we can argue that we can say like we want to have the uh, on tablet the product cards can be bigger. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. So we use more space. And then let's go to the Figma um, here. Okay, great. Let's go to the copy section. Okay, awesome. Okay, looks good. Wait, what? Okay. Mm, okay, so let's fix this. Great. So we can also do that with AI, obviously. Let's see how much time we have left. We actually have 4 minutes left, so that's not a lot, guys. And then we are also gonna remove the block. Maybe we can make something up, right? Instead of the block, we can have a, I don't know, some kind of section or something. Mm, like we have this. Explore what we're crafting for your skin. Hmm. I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it, guys. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's working. So we're almost done, right? For the day, at least. Oh, oh yeah, and I have a little snack that I'm gonna chuggle, gobble, gobble, chubble. Okay, this looks all very good. I'm very happy about this page. Everything makes sense. Oh, wait a minute. Hmm. Hmm. Anyways, let's push the code because we don't have time anymore, but this is something we can work on next time. Okay. Okay. Looks good. Very happy about the result right now. This is how it should be. Like we can center this, right? Block, center the blocks. Okay, let's do one more. And yeah, that's basically it for today. So you wanna, great, that worked out. Let's ship it. And let's go to our code. And we're gonna say git pull. Awesome. Let's see. Pretty cool. Okay, looks good. Okay. I think it's all almost ready to ship. We have to do a couple more bug fixes and right. We have to do a couple more bug fixes and so we're fine with that, right? We don't have a card. We have a shop now. We don't have these ones, right? Some of them work, but contact us or get in touch. We do have that. We don't have a blog. Okay. For not found. It's all good. Style guide. We don't have that. Change log. We don't have that. Licenses. We don't have that. Right. Password protector. We don't have that. That's all fine. But yeah, I'm very happy with the result. Right. All right. See you guys later.